In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Facebook and Google login in WordPress website. By the end, your visitors will be able to sign up or sign in with just a click, which can boost conversions and reduce password fatigue. Start by opening your browser and going to wordpress.com/sites. This brings you to your wordpress.com sites dashboard. If you manage multiple sites, select the one you want to work on. Make sure your plan supports plugins. You'll need plugin access for this setup. On the left sidebar, click Plugins. At the top of the Plugins page, use the search bar and type Facebook and Google login. In the results, look for the listing that mentions one-click registration and login for Facebook, Google, and more, with quick setup and easy configuration. Open that result, then choose the plugin called Nextend Social Login and register. This is a widely used solution that adds social sign-in buttons to your login and registration forms and integrates smoothly with WordPress user accounts. On the plugin page, take a moment to review the tabs. First, open the description to confirm it supports Facebook and Google and to see how it adds the buttons to your site. Next, check installation to understand any requirements and to preview the setup flow you'll complete later inside your dashboard. Then glance at the changelog to ensure the plugin is actively maintained and compatible with recent WordPress updates. Finally, read the FAQs for quick answers on common setup questions, including how the social providers are connected. When you're ready, click Get Started. WordPress.com will guide you through creating or connecting a site with this plugin pre-selected. You'll land on a page where you can search for a new domain. Use the Search Domains option if you want a fresh address for a new site. If you already own a domain, choose Already Have a Domain to connect it instead. On the next screen, click into the highlighted domain field, enter your domain or selection, and then click Continue to proceed. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the site setup with the plugin included. Once your site is ready and the plugin is installed, head to your WordPress dashboard and open the Nextend social login settings. From there, you'll connect Facebook and Google. You'll typically create an app on each platform and paste the credentials the plugin asks for. The plugin's documentation gives you the exact redirect URLs and step-by-step fields to fill out. A few quick tips. Copy the redirect URLs exactly, test in a private window to verify the buttons work, and update your privacy policy to mention social login. That's it. You've added Facebook and Google login to your WordPress site in a clean, reliable way.